Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can enable these optional optimizations like don't wake screen for notifications. You can also set it to turn off when your device is up to 15% charged or fully charged. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can select start time, end time, and yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.